All right, production is underway, but there's still one very important question. How do you actually know that the factory is producing what you agreed on? A good sample doesn't automatically mean that thousands of mass-produced units will have exactly the same quality, right? That's why we strongly recommend independent quality inspections, especially before you make the balance payment or the final balance payment even. And quality control doesn't only happen at the end. For example, for larger or more complex productions, we can inspect when the production line is initially being first set up, during the first part of production, during production, or once the entire order is being or has been finished. The most common option, of course, is a pre-shipment inspection after production is completed, but before you pay the remaining balance. Our inspectors physically go into the factory. It's not a remote inspection, and we randomly select products from the production batch, not what they put in front of us, and of course have tested that they look good. We inspect them according to the agreed requirements and AQL standards where applicable. We perform the relevant checks and the tests and document everything with detailed photographs and an inspection report. Now, if we discover problems, then you have an independent documentation before releasing the final payment and can work with the supplier, or we help you, on corrective action based on the agreement with the supplier. For certain products, we can even inspect the loading itself, means checking how the goods are packed and how they're loaded to help prevent such problems like moisture, breakage, rust, or any other transport-related damages. Now, inspections typically start from around $450 per inspection day, but compared with with the value of the entire production order, it's a relatively small investment to get it independently checked what you're actually about to pay for. So before you release the balance payment, inspect first.